Hey, welcome back, guys. Okay, so in the last video we saw how to add images to our web pages. We also looked at image attributes, the height, the width, the source attribute, and the alt attribute. So now we want to start looking at tables. We want to see how we can create tables in HTML. We're going to look at table, and we looked at some specific table elements that we use to define tables and rows and columns and all that. We look at table headers, and so basically everything that has to do with creating tables in HTML. How do you create amazing tables in HTML? So let's jump right into it. So we're going to get rid of this guy here. So to create a table, you start with a table element. That's the first thing to do. And then the next, usually tables have heading, right? So the title of the columns, basically. So the first row of a table is usually the table heading. So you call it T head. Okay. So let's call it that. Then inside T head you have TR. So you can see Emmet giving us suggestions, right? So we're going to just go with what he suggested, but we're not going to need this call span. So now we have T head. So inside T head you have TR. TR is what you use to define an entire row in a table. So inside the TR you have, let's say we want our table to have okay, let's just do it this way. Okay, so this is the first row, which will basically be the the head. Now this is going to give us just one column, right? So let's say we want another column. So let's pretend we are building a table of user data. So we're going to say email, and then again we're going to have phone number, first name, and last name. So we're going to save this and see what it gives us. Okay, so this is actually phone. So we run this, and then it gives us just this single line. It's not looking great, but let's continue. So we have the table head or the heading. So next we're going to work on the body. So let's call this T body. And then inside the T body you're going to have things like the table data, right? Instead of T head you have table data. So first of all you wrap it inside a row, and then you have TD. So the first one is the phone number, so you add the value for the phone number, so something like 090 just anything at all that looks like a phone number. And then next is, the first one is actually email. Let's say rich@gmail.com, and then the next one is the first name. So we're gonna just have first name, Richie, and then we have TD again, and then we have last name, we have Laz, and then we save it and we take a look, and this is what it looks like. Doesn't look great, but you get the idea. So in the next video we're gonna make this look a lot better by adding borders and making it look generally better. So see you in the next video.